Welcome back to another video. Today we have the 22-inch cordless edge trimmer. I got this deal with the Ryobi days for $50, $49.99, or yeah, just under $50 with this deal here. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools like this, make more videos like this, make more tool review videos. Please help out the channel by subscribing and hitting the bell, hitting the like button. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. This is the kit that I got. All these tools that I've been doing, the Ryobi deals tools, I've been getting with this kit. So you basically buy this kit, get it for $99. And then this comes in for free. When you check out, they do divide the amount, which is $50, and that's how you get this for 50 bucks. We'll set that aside. We'll do another video unboxing of the kit, of the battery kit. That will be another video, but for this, we're just gonna be doing this. So basically, this is 22-inch cordless edge trimmer, rotating handle, trim all angles, up to 3/4 cut capacity, edge just sweep. So this is the sweep here. Debris remover, clears clip-ins while you trim. Wrap around the user's comfort, dual action blades, reduce vibration. Let me turn this fan off here. Alright, sorry about that noise. But yeah, reduce, wrap around user comfort, dual action blades, reduce vibration, hanging hook for user convenience, 22-inch cordless edge trimmer, edge sweep manual operators. Okay, so item number here, it's 101 or 10-01-599-442. I'm just gonna cut this side of here. Yeah, no, I'm using a screwdriver to unbox it, but yeah. Oops. Got some packaging here, material. Set this aside. Then we got the tool itself. Slide it this way. So this is the tool itself. We got some instructions here, basic instructions. We're just gonna set this right here, and then we have the edge sweeper. This is the part where pretty much picks up all the debris, the clippings, and then you can just clean it out and just throw it to the side. This is the tool itself. As you guys see, it does have a rotating handle. That's one thing I like about this. Say you can rotate sideways, or you can rotate the other side, or 45 degree. You guys see we got a switch here. It's like a locker for the trigger, so you have to press this so you can press the trigger. Otherwise, it doesn't turn on. Got the battery here. It goes in pretty smooth. As you guys see there. I'm going to take this off because I got to take the cardboard off the packaging first. So we pretty much take the packaging off like that. And then it does come with a nice guard. As you guys see, it does have a plastic guard here to prevent accidents or, you know, somebody. So all you do is just slide this out pretty much, and you're ready to cut basically. So and you can slide this in. This is the sweeper, which I'm gonna be using. So why not use all the features that the tools has? So that's pretty much how it is. You know, it's angled obviously, so you can put it in as an angle. And let's put a battery in there and see how it sounds. you guys could see, it's a really nice tool. It's a really powerful tool. It's a little heavy, to tell you guys the truth. It's not the lightest. I believe I do have a 3 amp hour battery on this tool currently, so it's not the lightest tool. It gets you tired pretty quick, but it does work. It works real powerful. It works really good. As you guys see, it's really powerful. It'll just take whatever you put on it, it'll take it down, it'll cut it. So this is great for trimming trees, trimming bushes, all kinds of small plants, anything that's overgrown. You can, in a couple minutes, you'll finish trimming. This is an orange tree, a small orange tree that I have. I'm just trimming a couple of branches on the bottom. As you guys can see, no problem whatsoever with this trimmer. And then this is a bigger tree. A lot of smaller branches here are on the bottom of the tree, and it's just so easy. Like that one's pretty thick. It cuts it, you know. But yeah, as you guys see, it works really good. Like I said, it'll speed up your work really fast. Having the right tool for the right job will definitely help you out in the long run. And that's it for today, guys. Just a great tool. I think it's a great tool for the DIY, especially with this deal, with this $99 deal. You get this for like 50 bucks. So yeah, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.